What? I'm in a meeting. Say, well, put him through then. What the fuck is going on? I told you to never call me.
So, I'm so sorry to bother you, sir, but you said to notify you if there was an emergency.
Who the fuck is this?
Mickey Garnett, sir. I run the Springfield call center. Seems we had a disgruntled customer.
So fucking what? We always have disgruntled customers. If they're not, you're not doing your job. You on a secure line?
Yes, sir, I'm using the app.
Why are you bothering me? Call the attorney and start shoving back.
I don't think legal's gonna help much here.
Okay. Then what will?
A fire department?
Just tell me, what the fuck is going on?
Sure, sorry. So this dude strolls past all our security, talking how we're lying and stealing, then tears through my guys like tissue paper and,
And what?
And burns the place to the ground.
I'm sorry. What?
The call center's gone. I'm standing here looking at a $30 building that's now a fucking ashtray.
Do we know who this disgruntled customer is?
No, sir, he didn't give a name.
I didn't ask if you gave a name. I asked if you did your job and figured out who burned up my fucking building.
I would, but all the cameras and drives burned up in the fire, and I don't know how to figure all that out.